Hey guys, Praveen here, and today we are going to see how to use this command keyboard shortcut in VS Code. As soon as I saw this, I knew that I wanted this. So this, what it does is when you do command enter in VS Code, it runs this set of arguments, which is get stage all. So it stage all the changed files. It generates a git commit message and it commits it to your git, and it git syncs, which means it pushes and pulls your git to GitHub or any other git front end you have. So yeah, we are going to try this in our cursor, and we'll see if it works. I'm not using cursor, I'm using VS Code, so maybe let's see if it works in VS Code also. So yeah, this is my VS Code. Let's go to the settings, keyboard shortcuts, and let's open the keyboard shortcut. Perfect. So I'm just gonna paste that over here. So instead of cursor dot generate commit message, VS Code dot generate commit message, maybe that will work. Generate, yeah, generate. Okay, so I think that's it. Let's just see if this works. Let's open a project in VS Code first. So open recent. Okay, so I'm gonna update some of the packages once over here. Let's update some. Yeah, this can be latest, this can be latest, this can be latest, this can be latest, this can be latest. No, this cannot be latest. I have to check if this works. This can be latest. This is in Canary. Perfect. So I'm just updating everything that I know, the latest. I don't think any problem will come with this. So let's just update everything. So this is just so we have some thing to commit. Yeah. So that's the only change that I have here. Let's commit and see how this goes. Okay. So I'm gonna do command enter. Okay. So it has generated a command, and it has using npm. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so it has generated a commit message called update chore dependencies, update dependencies to latest version, and it has committed to GitHub. Perfect. This will save me 5 to 10 seconds on each commit. I'm just gonna spam this a lot and commit sync as much as possible. This is amazing. If you're also not working on any very important project, you can just add this to your VS Code, and you can just commit away as you desire. That's it for this video. Let me know if you want more VS Code tricks like this, and I'll leave this link in the description so you can also try this out. That's it for this video. Bye bye.